What's going on, guys? Shavar here, shooting another video for my weekly forecast and look at the pairs that I am looking to take advantage of this week. Alright, now I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible. Okay, I just recorded another video showing you guys how I mark up all my charts. It'll be posted above this video, so if you have not seen that, make sure you check that out. Alright, so I showed you guys how I marked up this chart from scratch in the previous video. Alright, now I see in the zone we have some rejection candles. Alright, so I'm going down to the 4-hour chart, and I also see we have a channel. Alright, so draw a trend line from here. Let's see, here to here. Alright, and we actually got a break of support, and we also got a break of my trend line. Alright, just for illustration purposes. So what I am looking for is, first of all, I'm gonna let the market open and see what happens. Okay, the break it's only about 20 pips from the support area, and it just broke outside the channel. I like to see it come down a little bit more, than retest, resistance, or retest the my trend line here, and then look for the drop. But pretty much, I'm looking to sell this. I'm looking for a selling opportunity with 2 take profit areas. First one would be in this area, mainly at 0.900 area. Let me change this color. And if that is broken, then I'm taking it down to weekly structure 0.8950 area. If that's achieved, then I will look to take it down even further. Alright, but mainly I'm looking for selling opportunities. So what I'll do is I'll drop down to the 1-hour chart, and I'll just wait to see how much price is going to go down and wait for the retest. I would like to get in somewhere around where price broke. But like I said, it just broke it, and it wasn't too significant of a break for me. So I would love to see price, drop a little bit before it retraces back up, and then look for my selling opportunity. And looking for at least about 100 pips take profit, 100 to 150 pips. Alright, so that's one pair. Now I'm going to scroll these real quick and see what we're looking at and go to the daily. I haven't had any time this weekend to check anything out. I already have some setups from last week, like for example GBP, JPY. Alright, now remember the video I did last weekend. I told you guys there's 2 scenarios here. Alright, we have the break of the trend line, and I'm waiting for a retest. Okay, now like I said, it can retest 1 or 2 areas. I have this first trend line and I have the second trend line. So what happened was we had the retest of this trend line, and price actually dropped about 100 pips on the intraday move before it went back up. Let me see if I could go down to a smaller time frame and show you guys. Where was it? Alright, so pretty much it wasn't clearly on the trend line. It came about 17, I don't know, about 20 pips maybe from the trend line before it dropped again. So when I seen that, I felt like I missed the move. But then from there, price went back up to my next trend line, where I pointed out in the video where price could reject from, and that's exactly what it's done so far. So I have this marked at this trend line at 148. Where is it at? 140, between about 148. Price went up to about 148.10 and dropped about 200 pips, somewhere close to that. So I'm looking for a continuation of the sell on GBP JPY. I love to see how the market opens and see if we get a retracement up and look for my sell pattern. As always, like I say, when I get the opportunity to enter a trade, I'll get a signal. But I'm looking to take price down to 144 area, and if that's broken, take it back down to this trend line. So we're just gonna wait and see. All right. There's not really much more I'm looking at unless I can get a break. Let's see, GBP USD. All right, if I get a break of this trend line, I'm definitely looking to sell. First take profit will be back here at this support area, and I will be updating you guys on the next take profit. Now, first thing is it will have to drop and break this area. And you see we have the trend line here. We also have support here. Double confirmation opportunity right there. All right, TDI pointing down. So rejection off the moving average. This could be a good selling opportunity. But we're just gonna be patient. We don't jump the gun on any trades. We wait for confirmations. All right. So far NZD CAD, GBP JPY, GBP USD. GBP JPY is already in the, pretty much already doing what I'm expecting to do. NZD CAD, it's pretty much right there also. GBP USD, a little patience, so let's see what's going on. All right, let's see what else we have here. Pound Aussie. Pin bar right off a moving average, right off the zone. Let's just wait and see. I like to, especially when things like this happen, you get the big drop and then retracement up. I like to see a support area be broken. So at least if I'm gonna trade this intraday, I would love to see, not even intraday, for like a mini swing, I like to see this, at least this support area right here, be broken. All right, if that's broken, I take it down to the monthly structure at 72. So possible 200 pip move if this happens. Like I said, we have the pin bar off of the moving average, also off of the zone. So let's see. All right, this is another pair I'm looking at for this week. And you see, like, I haven't even looked at GBP Aussie at all this week, but since I have my charts marked up already, I could just look at the chart and see what's going on and know what to look for. So that's why it's good to be prepared for the future. GBP CAD, I haven't really messed with this pair recently, so I'm just going to skip that. USD CAD. USD CAD has been doing a lot. I don't know exactly what it wants to do, but there's a bunch of zones in here that's been consolidating in between, so I'm just going to leave this alone. I was expecting a breakout to the high, so if I get a breakout above this zone here, then I would look to buy up to this area up here. That's just me looking at it and seeing what it's doing and seeing the consolidation. So after a big consolidation is always another big move. I just don't know if it wants to drop or wants to go up. It's been rejecting this zone. It's been hanging around in this area here. So instead of me just watching and, guessing what it's going to do, I'll just wait. I'll check every day and just wait to see what the daily candle is doing. And once I get a break above here, then I will look to buy. If it starts to come down, I probably won't even look for a sell opportunity. I'll probably just leave it alone. I'll probably only be looking for a buy for the USD CAD. And I actually don't really trade this pair that much, so it doesn't bother me if I miss it. Euro NZD. Alright, so we had the break of this pattern here. We had the retest. Now it's sitting at monthly structure. So if I get a break of this area here, the support area, plus this zone, then I would be looking to sell to take down to the weekly structure area at 1.63. So what's this? 66. Possible 300 pip move. All right, everything I'm discussing right here is all about patience, guys. All right, it's all about patience. Yeah, that might be a nice setup here. Euro Aussie, this pair pretty much did what I expected to do from up here. Now I'm just waiting to see what it wants to do. All right, I see TDI traced up. We got a nice rejection off the moving average here. We have weekly structure here. So I'm looking for a break. Look for a breakout. I'm going to continue to look for a selling opportunity. So right now I'll just be waiting and see what it's going to do. It might be a week, might be 2 weeks. but I have no interest in this pair as of right now. You know, once I pointed out this opportunity here and this happened, you know, this was about 600 pip, 700 pip drop. So it's cool to me. I don't have to catch it both ways right away. I can just wait and you know, let everything play out. EA. I already went over that. I'm missing GN. G-Chef. GCAD, G-Chef. Haven't really traded this pair either, so I'm just gonna leave this alone. I'm actually gonna probably end up marking this up this week. Might have some selling opportunities popping up here. Alright, it's the monthly chart. TDI point down, Big Bear's candle. Looking for sales. That's what the higher time frame is telling me. You know, then you drill it down. But like I said, I haven't marked it up yet, so it's definitely something I'm gonna get going this week though. Alright, so just ignore this for now. This was just me looking at it real quick. Alright, last pair I'm looking at, GBP NZD. Or did I already do that? I'm not even sure I did this pair. Now this pair looks just like, I don't know. If I didn't do it, then I'll do it again real quick. Break of 1.89, looking to take back down into this zone, or 1.84. 1.84 is actually where I want to take profit at. Alright, but I know that it can stop here, it can stop in here. But when I call the sell up here at 9,300, drop the 400 pips out. 400 pips I was expecting, reverse right off of this zone, and now I'm waiting for another selling opportunity. All right, I don't think this pair is done yet. All right, I'm just waiting for a break of support area. If I get a break of 1.8900, then we're looking to take this back down to 1.84. All right, so I'll see you guys in the Telegram. I'll see you guys in the group. I will be doing some live sessions this week, so you guys can trade live with me a little bit and watch me go through some of these charts, kind of like I'm doing now, but maybe look a little bit deeper into it. And just be ready for the signals, guys. Everything I showed you is, you know, just wait it out. Don't just wait till market opens and jump into trades, because, you know, price does retrace and things like that, or every analysis isn't 100% correct. So just be patient. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video.